Women plays an important role in building a society. They are also as important as men in building the nation economically and politically. Hence, keeping in view of these facts, All Party Health Leaders Conference APHLC formed its Women Wing at Hamren on 24th October. The Women Wing branch formation was chaired by Rita Kropsapi, President of APHLC Women Wing Central Committee. It was reported that the purpose of forming its Women Wing is to extend their support and stand by the party's side. Women would take the lead in helping the party to adjust into new realities and challenges in the days to come. After a prolonged discussion to uplift and strengthen the party, it was unanimously decided to appoint Agnes Bepi as the President and Gracie Tirangpi as the General Secretary of APHLC Women Wings Hamren. More than 100 women from across the town attended the event. Prominent leaders of APHLC Bikram Hanse, Ajit Timung and Rita Kropsapi were present at the formation program. Dirjana Rongpi's report from Puloni for Carbino Live.